In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bills in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a bill, attach a copy of it, and save it so your accounts stay accurate and organized. First, log into QuickBooks Online and make sure you're in the correct company file. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Expenses, then choose Bills. This section is dedicated to bills you plan to pay later, so it's the best place to keep everything tidy and easy to track. Next, click the New Transaction button at the top right and select Bill. It's important to choose Bill rather than Expense or Check because a bill records what you owe now and plan to pay on a later date. Now, fill in your vendor information. Use the drop-down to select an existing vendor or add a new one if this is your first time working with them. Take a second to confirm the vendor name is spelled correctly. Clean vendor records make reporting and searches much easier down the line. If the vendor has standard payment terms, those often autofill and help QuickBooks calculate the due date. Add the details of the bill. Enter the bill date, the amount, and the items or services provided. If you use items, add them on the Items tab with quantities and rates. If you categorize expenses by account, use the Category Details area to assign the correct expense account. Adding a memo or reference number can be helpful for future lookups, and it's a good habit to make sure the due date matches what the vendor expects. A quick double check of totals and tax calculations here can prevent reconciliation headaches later. To attach the bill document, scroll down to the Attachment section. Click Attach File and select the PDF or image of the bill from your computer or mobile device. Clear, legible files save time if you ever need to verify details, so aim for a crisp scan or photo. Descriptive file names, like the vendor and date, also make attachments easier to identify. Most standard PDF and image formats work fine. Just avoid files that are locked or require a password. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you have more bills to enter. After saving, the bill will appear in your bills list, ready to be tracked and paid when due. That's it. With these steps, you'll have reliable records, easy document access, and cleaner reporting whenever you review what you owe. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.